All right, let's talk about these suicides in the first break. So mechanically, they're very simple, but I know they're difficult. But just understand that they're simple. What we're working with is the right and left hand moving what? Just one drum over, right? So this is a direct application of our forklift exercise, right? We're doing this. So assuming we're doing them back to back for infinity, we should be aiming for scrape zones. Obviously, it's not as easy as just doing this. So I want you to pay attention to where my hands are set when I play them normal, just alternating right and left hand. They're set around near my belly button area. Whenever I actually get into the suicides, you'll see that axis where my hands were rested, the right hand goes slightly on top and the left hand goes slightly on the bottom. So right here, we're neutral. And once we get into the actual suicide, you see the right hand go up and the left hand go down. So let's talk about that crossover shape that we're working with here, right? This is what's difficult about this rudiment. So understand that to get here, right, repeating myself, right hand goes on the top and then the left hand has to go on the bottom. This is what we would call a stick over stick crossover, right? So this is where the intersection is pretty much near where my thumb on the left hand meets almost the thumb on my right hand. So this is still technically stick over stick, right? I can click my sticks together. If we did anything more than that, it would be hand over hand. So like if it was drum 1 and 2 like this. And anything more than that, it would be arm over arm, like drums 3 and 4. So this is basically the minimum distance, and it should technically be the easiest, but it's the most sensitive. So one thing to make this work is you have to lean into a French grip a little bit more, right? So we talk about German grip as being flat, French grip being the exact opposite with the thumb on top. We have to go towards that grip to be able to achieve this shape right here. It's important to note that even though my hand is turned over, I am not bending the wrist in any particular direction for like that much, right? It's just turning the hand slightly over to facilitate being able to hit this. The more comfortable you get with that, the more natural this rudiment is going to feel. So we have, starting with this, right? Get comfortable just moving one drum. And then when you implement both hands, minimize the distance between the thumbs here. And then make sure that you're actually changing where your hands are resting.